Oh, 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 oh. She's gone to the front. No, I'm gonna start crying.
Oh, yay! I knew it! Well, I'm gonna cry. I know, me too!
She's come all the way from Brazil for this.
Special delivery for Rebecca.
Oh my God, I had no idea.
You must have snuck in the back.
We've been sitting in the parking lot. She hasn't seen her for over a year.
Okay. I was hoping this would happen.
So will you forgive Mama Brat?
It's so wonderful to see her. I was like, what's Marika doing here?
I'm your worst nightmare.
The whole thing. I know. Oh,
This is fabulous.
Excuse me, there is a Mama Brat here too, you know.
Yeah. Start 12 before I start.